Hey everybody, Mrs. Bianchi here. We're looking at number 2. It says the value of 3 to the 21st power is how many times as great as the value of 3 to the 19th power? So what we're going to do to help wrap our brain around what we're going to do here is let's solve what we call a simpler problem. So what if instead this had said 3 to the 7th power and this had said something like 3 to the 5th power? Let's kind of compare and contrast what we would do for the simpler problem, and then we'll apply that to the more complex numbers that we have, or the larger exponents. So if we had 3 to the 7th power, that means we would have 3 as a factor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times, right? Would be 3 to the 7th power. Now, if we had 3 to the 5th power, then that would mean we would have 3 as a factor 5 times. So I'm just going to clone that and put it underneath, right? So I just copied that. So if we take a look, this is equal to 3 to the 7th power, and this is equal to 3 to the 5th power. Now let's kind of examine how many more times we see 3 as a factor, right? Don't we see it 3? We see it as a factor 2 more times. Now it's not an accident that if we subtract the 7 minus 5, that we get 3 squared, right? So the answer to what would this value be if we actually figured out the standard form, it would be 3 squared more than this, right? It would be 3 squared more. So we should apply that same thinking. And by the way, 3 squared, if we were to simplify that, 3 squared would be the same thing as 3 times 3, which we know to be equal to 9. So that means that this number, whatever this is, if we evaluate it, would be 9 times greater than this. So you're going to use the same approach here. You're going to look at the exponents. So we have 3 to the 21st power, and we have 3 to the 19th power. Subtract the exponents just like we did here, right? We did 7 minus 5, we got 2. Subtract these and see what you get. And then you're going to come up with that new number. And whatever that is, like 3 to the something power, go ahead and figure out what it's equal to. And that's how you're going to know what to pick over here. All right, good luck finishing that up.